Hello, my name is Tori Earl and we are Havelock Metal. The following video is a simple look at many of the typical roofing, siding, or other cladding elements of steel. Today we'll be looking at how to measure your roof. If you are looking at ordering steel roofing for your home, cottage, outbuilding, shed, or even doghouse, or if you're simply trying to get a better understanding of what the potential cost of steel roofing might be, and you're interested in measuring your own roof, here are some easy steps to follow. You may want to start with identifying your roof style or design. Here are several common styles and some not so common ones. Bear in mind that your roof may be one or more of these styles in combination. In any instance, understanding the language or names of the different roofing components will help you in understanding your roofing needs. Here is a diagram of a moderately complicated roof illustrating the different parts making up your roofing material. The ridge is probably the easiest one to identify. It is simply where two ascending slopes meet at a level horizontal peak. While hips are similar, they occur when two descending slopes run perpendicularly away from each other and meet at a diagonal plane. Valleys essentially have the same description as hips, although they have two descending slopes that run into each other and meet at a diagonal plane. Gable starters, sometimes referred to as rake trims, run along the length of a slope at the open edge of a roof, typically 90 degrees to the ridge. Eaves or eave starters, sometimes called drip edge but shouldn't be, as they can be confused with the trim that's used in a siding application, run horizontally at the bottom of a slope. Thinking about eaves troughs or gutters can help you remember where these go. Under-overflashings occur where a descending slope changes pitch or degree of slope, but continue in the same direction from a high pitch to a low pitch. The top half of the trim goes under the upper steel roof, while the bottom half goes over the lower steel roof. Gambrel roofs are exactly the same, however they are used when a lower pitch descends to a higher pitch. Lots of barns are built in this style. End wall flashings occur when a roof slope starts descending away from the face of a wall, while sidewall flashings are used when a slope runs along the side of a wall. Pretty clever name. With other roofing material, such as asphalt shingles, this sidewall flashing can be referred to as step flash and occurs in segmented pieces. Now that you have an idea about some basic trims, you can now understand what to measure. You may want to sketch a plan view or bird's eye view of your roof. It is not necessary to draw to scale or even in 3D, so long as all the roof lines are present. Take measurements from the eave to the peak. Take care not to include any shingle overhang. This length will represent the length of steel we custom produce specific to your project. If any pitch changes occur along that slope, take a measurement from the ridge to that pitch change, and then another measurement from that pitch change to the eave. Keep in mind, it's important to take multiple measurements along any given slope to ensure you're accounting for any inconsistencies that may occur on your roof. Include all measurements such as valley lengths, eaves, gables, ridges, and hips. Also note any protrusions such as plumbing stacks, hydromasts, chimneys, and skylights. Be sure to record the sizes and quantities. Note the slope of the roof. Not sure how to calculate that? It is simply a rise over run consideration, meaning over a 12-inch run on any horizontal plane, how many inches does the roof rise? We bend your trims to match the pitch of your roof to create a better finished look and make the installation easier. Still not confident on how to determine pitch? Here's an even easier technique. Download a slope finder on any smartphone. They exist and usually are free. All our standard trims are manufactured in a 26 gauge steel and come in 10-foot lengths. Custom trims can be bent to serve your needs and are not expensive. I hope this helps you measure your roof. For further information or further clarification on any of the content in these videos, please feel free to reach out to any of our product specialists. We're always happy to help.